Hello everybody, I'm Kenny. Welding is super important in making the safe tough. Today, we are going to check out our welding workshop at Ample. Let's dive into what makes our safe so strong.
Every production department has a kiosk where workers can check drawings and work guidelines. Workers ensure their tasks are done according to these drawings. We use molds and fixtures to weld the safe securely, ensuring a precise fit and alignment throughout the process. This helps maintain the structural integrity of the safes and prevents any twisting or distortion that could compromise their strength. The molds and fixtures hold the safe components firmly in place, allowing our skilled welders to execute their work with accuracy and consistency. After the welding is completed, we carefully grind down the weld marks to create a smooth surface, ensuring that there are no sharp edges or imperfections. This step is crucial for maintaining the aesthetics of the safe and preparing it for the finishing process. In addition, we remove any welding slag, which is a byproduct of the welding process, to ensure a clean and polished appearance. By meticulously grinding and cleaning the welds, we ensure that each safe meets our high standards for quality and durability. Once the safes are welded, we place them in a bright area for inspection. Here, workers look for spots that need detailed grinding and adjust the frame and door to ensure smooth opening. Our QC team then conducts a thorough inspection. They carefully check both the inside and outside to ensure the welds are continuous, with no gaps or missing sections. They also examine the weld marks and remove any remaining welding slag.
你好，
你好，
请介绍一下自己。
我是汉贼车间车间室汉贼车间车间室的，应国华。
你在爱普公司工作了多久？
我在爱普工作已经19年了，
十几年了。那你现在你手下有多少个人？
一共有27名员工。
那一天生产多少张？
每天生产量现在280到300台。
这么多。那就你汉贼车间的重点工作是什么呢？
工作就是第一，先拉门板焊门板，门板焊好，前面点框，托焊，磨外壳，磨摇杆，再把箱子拉在岗地上来配门进箱子。这种
汉贼工作辛苦不辛苦？
当然很辛苦的。特别是天气热的时候，汗流浃背的，员工都是满身都是汗。
但是要工作做好，是吧？
对，要我们为了产品要做好，是吧？质量要做好。好的，没办法。
谢谢。Here at Ample, we focus a lot on getting the basics right. Our team uses some really cool tools and fixtures and skills to make sure every part of our safe is well made and secure. We are all about making sure every safe is perfect and keep your stuff safe. Thanks for watching.